guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach information series. I am Maahek Nair and that is Praveen Nair, and today we're going to be doing a simple but a little complicated movement that's called as burpee.
Alright guys, so burpees comes and you get to see that it's just kind of a scary moment, alright? Because it takes your heart rate up, and whatever gets your heart rate up, which means that it's going to get you a lot of benefit of working almost more than about 2 or more joints. It has a great benefit of getting your muscles in shape, make your heart muscles stronger, at the same time helps you burn a lot of calories. So in a simple way, I would say that about doing about 50 burpees can really keep yourself fit. Alright, so let's have a look at the burpees, how to perform correct burpees, okay? Let's go. So, can I have you, Maahek?
Yeah.
Good now. The first thing is going to be keeping your feet underneath the hip joint, alright? So, you can see the distance right now. Let's get onto the floor. So, she's going to be squatting down first at the hips. The feet is placed on the floor. Now, place your hands on the floor. This is going to be a beginner burpee. So, you don't need to do push-ups right now. Jump out, Maahek. And up, stand up, get up. That's a beginner burpee. Once you know that you got these movements correct, we're going to make it more advanced. Alright? Alright, you're a little more familiar with the movement. You're going to get your hands up and clap. One more. Jump behind. Up. So when you're jumping behind here, you want to make sure that your shoulder and the wrist and the elbow is in one line. Then you make a neutral spine and the whole body is like a plank. So you're in a plank right now here, okay? So general mistakes is that the hip goes too higher, or else while doing this one, the hip goes too much below. It can create a kind of injury for your back. So you want to make sure that you maintain a flat back or a plank. Come up. Well, so that was about beginner burpees. That's how you start with the burpees. Now we're going to go down and do a push-ups and come up. Let's go. Down and up. 1. Great job, Maahek. The next most important thing, you want to make sure that when you come up from a plank or a push-ups, you want to make sure that your spine is again neutral and the hip goes down to a deep squat. You start from here. Now jump up, clap your hands. Great job. So you want to make sure that the soft landing comes, and as you get a little more advanced, you can bring your feet, getting it closer. So that's when your feet comes closer, that will let you stand up more faster. You want to make sure that you know or you work on your flexibility before you move on to all these kind of advanced movements or using weights for these movements. So this was about burpees. Now burpees comes with a lot more variations. You can do burpees and the pull-ups. You can do weighted burpees, that's going to be with the dumbbells. We can do dumbbells and press with the burpees, and number of variation comes in. So but the basic thing is going to be how to perform burpees, making sure that you maintain a neutral spine.
Thank you so much for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get information of all our videos. We do videos on nutrition, training, we have a lot of recipe videos. We also have videos on Maahek's Core Pilates and information series. So please scroll down the playlist. You will get everything related to fitness on one platform, that's BodyProCoach.
Alright, so make sure that you share the channel with your friends and family. We are looking forward to see you in the next video.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you.